And I remember the saying of Sayyidah Aisha. You know what she said after Rasul alayhi salatu wasalam? She said, if Rasul alayhi salatu wasalam saw the woman these days, not now, hers, these days, he would have prevented them from coming to the masjid. Can you believe it? How do we feel when you go to a masjid and there is no place for women to pray? You feel so sad, discriminated, you're looked at lower, which is true. But at the same time, how I am coming to the masjid. Ya nas, yani what we are seeing these days is beyond my imagination. I come to the masjid as if I am going to Walmart. Same. And this is the house of my Creator. And this is the house of my Creator who put requirement. And I always ask you, if you have this rule in your home, where you want everyone that they come, they take off your shoes, and somebody doesn't do it, what do you do? How upset you will be. Very upset, especially if they see the shoes are all outside and you put a special place. Nope, you insist on getting in. Will you invite her again? How Rahim is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And He gave us this beautiful masajid, and we come in here and we are not covered. And you know what I say? The Queen of England, when she went to Al-Azhar, she was covered. She covered her hair. She's not Muslim. She's not required. But out of respect to us and to our Creator. And here I am Muslim, come in here as if literally I am outside. Subhanallah, this is becoming a phenomenon in masajid. What I see these days, I was like, I couldn't believe it. What happened to the woman? What happened to us? This is the house of my Lord, my Creator. And He told me there's a dress code. You don't want to do it outside, as I said, get ready for answers when you are in front of Him. That's a choice you made. But when you come to this masjid, it's not a choice. It's absolutely not a choice. Even some masajid put things outside, and women refuse to do it. And they get so offended. Why? You're not doing it for me. You're doing it for yourself. So please, all of you, pay attention to this and teach the youth that they are coming to the masjid. This is the house of Allah. It's a sanctuary. It has its own borders. Why do we take our shoes but we don't cover our hair? What is this? Why? A full makeup? False eyelashes? The hair is like that, and I'm in His house, and He still feeds me, and He gives me everything. Wallahi innahu lakareem. I bear witness Allah is generous. If this you and me, I will teach her how to respect my house. Don't we do that? And people come to us like it's okay, maybe she doesn't know. No, she knows very well. Subhanallah. And then when you come to the house of Allah, I don't know. Tayyib, you don't know. People tells you and you get offended. There is orders from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and there's haya when I come to His house. I hate to say anybody don't come. Subhanallah, who I am. But it's so painful when I see it. And I literally make dua for everyone. I was like, Ya Allah, you brought her. Ya Allah, make her dress the way that pleases you. Because when you come to the masjid and you're not dressed properly, it's not you. You're affecting others. If this young 11 or 12-year-old with all the bombardment outside, she looks at you and she says, oh, she looks beautiful, she comes to the masjid, and becomes domino effect. And finally, if you are going to admonish somebody, then make sure you admonish them nicely. And you talk to her nicely. And the best way is, if there is, which I'm sure in all the masajid, there is, they usually put a skirt and a haircut, just go and give it to her. Khalas. And in front of Allah, Ya Allah, I did it. And if she didn't do it, you don't. If you don't know her, don't talk. Or you can say, you look beautiful, but I'm sure you will look even more beautiful in front of Allah if you dress that. Say it in nice, in a gentle way. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala teach us this, Ya Rabbi Ameen. And may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala not only teaches us, but give us literally the ability, the strength, the resolve to do it and to continue to do it. Ya Rabbi, Ameen.